Hello students, myself Niyati Chauhan, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, I explain wastewater level measurement techniques. So let's start today's session. There are different type of techniques for measurement of wastewater level. First, ultrasonic level, then differential pressure sensors. Number 3, bubblers. Number 4, capacitance. Number 5, side glasses or gauges. Number 6, infrared. Number 7, microwave radar. Number 8, weight or load cells. Number 9, point level floats. And number 10, conductance. So these are different methods for wastewater level measurement. In these techniques we are using common terms. So common terms used in wastewater level instrumentation. Number 1, sensor. A sensor is any device that directly measure a physical condition. A float is an example of a sensor. Number 2, transducer. A device that contains a sensor and converts its signal into an electrical signal for communication with other devices. A hydrostatic pressure sensor is an example of a transducer. Listen, in question can be asked in definition form and also in MCQ. Suppose you asked which device that directly measure a directly physical condition. There are many options: sensor, transducer, transmitter, yeah, any other meter, right? So at that time you have to choose sensor, right? So remember that in MCQ form also definition can be asked. Next, instrument. The combination of sensors or transducers into a communication device that may transmit a signal, display a variable, and provide control functions, right? मतलब कि in instrument combination of sensors and transducer, right? And we also communicate with other device for transmit signal, and instrument also can display variable and provide control functions, right? So this is instrument. An ultrasonic level indicating transmitter is an example of an instrument. Next, transmitter. An instrument that transmit a continuous process signal to a remote device. A 4 to 20 milliampere signal is the most common, where each transmitter use a pair of wires, right, twisted pair, to deliver an analog current proportional to the measurable variable, right? Means transmitter transmit signal, right? Okay, and a 4 to 20 milliampere analog signal is the most common, where each transmitter use a pair of wire, right? And this analog current proportional to measurable variable. Next one, accuracy. How closely an instrument measure the actual value of a material being sensed, right? मीन्स अगर आप कोई रीडिंग ले रहे हो, राइट, तो हमें उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू मतलब क्या, कि जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट के एकदम नजदीक की जो वैल्यू है, ओके, जो हमारा मटेरियल सेंस कर रहा है, दैट इज इट्स एक्यूरेसी. नेक्स्ट, रिजोल्यूशन. The smallest increment of change that the instrument can measure, right? This is resolution. Wastewater level measurement techniques. First, I discuss ultrasonic level measurement technique. The operating principle of ultrasonic level instrument is quite simple. They use a transducer with combined transmit and receive capability. The instrument measures the time it takes for sound pulse to travel from the transducer to a target and then for to return. Okay, here you can see, because we know the speed of sound in air 1086 foot per second or 331 meter per second. The distance to the target can be accurately calculated. You can see in diagram transmitter controller, right? This is one type of block diagram, right? And a simple arrangement of meter. Transmitter controller, right, means it transmit 4 to 20 milliampere signal, right, and which is also connected to control relay. Transmitter controller, right, is connected with ultrasonic transducer, and in this is our bucket, and in this bucket we have a filled water, and this is maximum level of water, and this is zero level of water, and this is pump, and here 4 to 20 milliampere span high low alarms, pump on off set points. Means if water level say water level reached at a maximum level, right, at that time alarm will be generated, and water level is at zero level, at that time also alarm is generated, and this is dead band, means here our output is zero, and this is beam angle. Okay, so this is a one type of non-contacting ultrasonic level controller transmitter, right, because here there is no contact, there is no physical contact with water and ultrasonic transducer. Okay, ultrasonic level instruments have become one of the most popular technologies used in wastewater treatment applications. Means ultrasonic level instrument widely used in wastewater treatment application. The obvious advantage is that they use a non-contacting acoustic sensor, right? So in today's session I have explained ultrasonic level sensor and which is used in measurement of wastewater level. So let's see applications. Applications of ultrasonic level sensor for pump control in wet wells and sumps, chemical storage tank inventory, aerobic digester level, chlorine contact tank level, and sewage tank level, bar screen differential level, right? So these are applications and these applications can be asked in also MCQ based or also in theory, right? So in today's session, I have explained these different level measurement techniques, right? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay. So in next session, I will explain another methods for level measurement techniques, right? Thank you.